Welcome to Crystal Analytics. In this video, we'll demonstrate the functionality of the platform, examine the Eterbase security breach, and follow the Bitcoin thieves' withdrawal paths. On September 8, 2020, the Slovakian exchange Eterbase announced that its hot wallets had been compromised. The hacker was able to illegally withdraw Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and some other cryptocurrencies from the exchange. Let's take a look at the suspicious entity on the Crystal platform. The Bitcoin thief's address was publicly announced by Eterbase post-theft, so the address was then immediately tagged on the Crystal platform. First, let's find this address by pasting the hash in the search bar. This is the address page. As you can see, this address already belongs to the Eterbase hot wallet thief. Let's click on it. What you see now is a typical entity page on the Crystal platform. It contains information about the entity's addresses, entity type, and statistics on transactions and connections. This entity consists of 16 addresses that have been attached to it according to heuristics based on the Bitcoin blockchain protocol. With direct connections, you can see that the entity has received funds from Eterbase, as well as other exchanges, and then sent them on to unnamed entities. To look further than a one-hop distance and include indirect connections in the results, you can use the All Connections switch. Now you can see that about 80% of the total amount was sent to a mixing service. Let's filter the connections by this type of entity and look at the shortest withdrawal path. It's often more convenient in these cases to use the visualization tool rather than working with bare tables and numbers. You can start using this visual tool by clicking on the Open Visualization button. Now you are looking at the interface of the tool. In this type of visualization, entities and transactions are represented by dotted border circles and lines. If it's a case that the address doesn't belong to any entity and the owner is unknown, it is represented by a circle with solid borders. Let's explore another path of fund flows using the visualization functionality. To minimize manual work in such cases where funds are divided into several chains, we've created a specific tool to track various coin flows automatically. All you need to do is give the initial set of transactions. To see how this tool works, let's move to the tracking page and put the hashes of the withdrawal transactions into the corresponding field. Then you should click the Create button. It takes time to view the result, but for now, we'll go directly to the Prepared Results page. Here you can see a table with information about all the addresses that have received funds from the initial transactions. It allows you to see all entities reached by tracked coins. It is also possible to see the withdrawal path to any address on the list. Let's choose one address as an example. In cases where funds are settled in some address, you can set up activity notifications by creating a new case or adding the address to an existing case. Let's try to do this. Just click on the three-dot icon near the address and then click on the Add to Case button. Type the case name and adjust the notification settings to your preference. You can also add the address to an existing case, so we'll do that. Finally, let's look at the case page in more detail. In the first block, you can see all information about the case, e.g. case name, description, related statistics, and notification settings. There are also blocks that store the addresses, transactions, visualizations, and trackings related to this case. It also allows you to add more data to the case, so you can store all information related to a case in one place and receive notifications based on your preferences. Here is an example of a notification via email. To learn more about Crystal Analytics, please visit our website and follow us on our social media channels. Thank you for watching.